just want to make a point of manifestation. I was the one who said this morning that sometimes we have to bend law. We don't have to. The point is, there's a Latin word that says, vox populi, vox Dei. The voice of the people is the voice of God. Now let me ask you, Mr. President, is our law higher than the voice of God? Is our law higher than the voice of the people? Mr. President, the law is supposed to protect the people. What we are asking, Mr. President, is the return of the value of good faith. I understand, Mr. President, what the gentleman from Pampanga this morning was saying, that it is not a requisite to return the money na kinuha po ng mga kontraktor, ng mga kumita po sa flood control project, Mr. President. Tama po yun, hindi po. At meron pong prosesong sinusunod tayo na kailangan sundin. Pag gumulong na yung batas, hayaan ng korte ang magsabi, Mr. President, tens of thousands of people went out last Sunday. Narinig ko po, hindi ko po alam kung yung mga kasama natin narinig. Narinig ko po yung sigaw ng taong bayan. Ibalik ang pera namin. Malinaw po. And I was asked by a reporter, by an interview, your comment. I said the message is loud and clear, Mr. President. Ayusin natin sa gobyerno ang ating mga trabaho. Iwasan po mahulog sa korupsyon. The people are demanding that these people, contractors, DPWH officials, including politicians who made wealth, kumita po sa flood control, na kung maaari isoli nila ang kanilang ninakaw sa bayan. And I think that is the right thing to do. Ang problema kasi, Mr. President, kung susundin natin ang batas, alam naman po natin ang pagdinig sa ating bayan ay buwan at taon ang inaabot. Baka pagdating po sa dulo, wala na pong makuha ang gobyerno sa mga taong ito. My only point, Mr. President, is the people were asking, the people are demanding. Isole yung pera na ninakaw sa kanila. Meron po tayong batas. True enough, Mr. President, I don't disagree. There is a process. May proseso, tama din po. Paano naman po yung sigaw ng taong bayan? How can we pacify the clamor, the anger of the population, Mr. President? I have no answer. My only answer, Mr. President, is isoli po ninyo ang inyong ninakaw. No ifs and buts. Ang sinasabi lang po ng DOJ, kakausapin po nila ang mga taong ito. Kung pwede, isoli. Wala naman pong sinabi ang DOJ. Ito ang batas, bawal pong, kailangan ninyong isoli yan. The DOJ, the Secretary himself said, they will ask, but they will not force them. Depende, mas mabuti raw kung kusang loob nilang isurrender yung pera, Mr. President. Wala naman pong nagbabawal sa batas na magbalik ng ninakaw. There's no such thing. And alam ko pong meron tayong process, we have procedures. But my only point is, Mr. President, whether I'm right or wrong, I stand to the wishes of the public, of the Filipino people, ibalik ang perang ninakaw sa kanila. Period, Mr. President.